So I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to use the sleep timer. So from the home screen of your TV, and if you're not on the home screen, just press the home button on your remote. Simply go up to settings, and then under settings, go down to system. Under system, go to timer settings, and then it should say sleep timer. Now mine is off by default. You can choose to set your sleep timer for 15 minutes, 30, 60, 90, 120 minutes. And if you want a specific time, you can go to user defined and then select your time in minutes. So let's say you want 13 minutes, just set to 13 and then press OK. And the TV will automatically turn off after 13 minutes. Okay, so that's basically it. That's how to set the sleep timer, or how to use a sleep timer on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.